Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video very attractive ideas of low maintenance hair styling. With beautiful hair dye. Very attractive and trending haircut. And so beautiful overall collection in low maintenance attractive dye with attractive hairstyling for girls and women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. And I request and I suggest please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it and try it. So beautiful collection of hairstyling in low maintenance. Some ideas, fine hairstyle. Some ideas, curly hairstyling. And very attractive collection of messy hairstyle. The trend of 2023 in short hair for girls and women. Messy hairstyle. And many much more ideas of messy hairstyle you see in this video. Mostly ideas of hairstyling, famous celebrity hairstyle ideas. And so beautiful collection of haircut. Some ideas, pixie haircut. Bob haircut, shaggy haircut, Kutch haircut, and so attractive collection of choppy haircut. And so attractive collection of hair dye. Blonde hair color. Black. And some ideas black and grey combination. And so attractive colors of burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, ash color, and very beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look very pretty. Very cute. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. and share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection. Take care and bye bye.